Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you on a video walkthrough of our 2022 XStar surf boat by Mastercraft. This is a 23-foot long boat, weighs 5,800 pounds. As you can see, we did an all-white boat with the light tan all-cool fill interior. It's got the BTS windshield and what's called the Z8 tower. It's pretty cool how you got the white in the tower to match the boat here. And what's really cool and unique on the XStar Surf is this rear chaise lounge seat. I'll take you on into the boat here. It's got the rear transom remote. Nice walk through here onto the reverse couch. We got folding racks for the wakeboard tower, for the surfboards and wakeboards. Got the little backrest that pops up or folds away. We've got the display observer screen over here. It's all touch panel and controls the stereo and a lot of other cool features on the boat, the lights, heaters, things like that. Then moving over to here, it is the dual screen. So it's gonna have the navigation in there and the reverse camera. Over here at the cockpit, you do have a charging station for your phone. This boat is equipped with heaters, the vents, and also heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat. We did the bow filler cushion. Nice, huge, wide bow. Up here, you can sit 3 super comfortably. You can even get 4 up here. This boat does seat 16 people. Because you heard me say this is the XStar Surf, it does have an additional 500 pounds of ballast over the regular XStar, so it does have a little bit bigger surf wave. So fantastic, huge surf wave on this boat, great for wakeboarding, one of the best wakeboard boats in the industry. But then it's just great to cruise around and drive on, very comfortable, great riding boat, so a lot of fun. Some other great features, some fold holders right down here for you on both sides, and then you got USBs so you can charge your phone. We went with the Decadence flooring, nice, easy, clean to clean. You can pull right up, very comfortable on your feet. It doesn't get hot. So come on out to MarineMax and see this XStar Surf Boat 2022 Mastercraft at our store here in Greenville, or give us a call at MarineMax store at 864-236-9005, or visit our website at MarineMax.Greenville at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you so much.